Well, hi everybody, welcome. David from Crypto Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you FarmHero, the Polygon side, the HONOR token side of it. It's very similar to the Hero token side on Binance, but this is the Polygon side. But I'm going to show you the entire ecosystem, the games, how you play them, what you do with the coins, how to use them. So if you're interested in using this, this is a great way to familiarize yourself before you go in and actually start spending your own money. All right? Hammer that like, smash that subscribe, let YouTube know that you appreciate somebody going out there and showing you how to do this before you have to jump in yourself. Let's get started. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. One important thing to know before you start in on this is that there is risk galore in crypto. As we all know, there's rug pulls, there's scams, there's all kinds of different things. So far, I've only figured out one way to absolutely mitigate the risk and make sure that you have no worries, and that's to get your crypto for free. That's right, go to getmyfreecrypto.com below, and I'm going to teach you how to sign up for airdrops that are going on literally every single week, giving free crypto. This is one way you cannot lose. The crypto goes up in value, you sell it, it goes down in value. Who cares? It was free. Go to getmyfreecrypto.com. You don't want to miss out on this Airdrop Masterclass because we are going to be taking it off the free market soon. All right, so let's take a look at the HONOR token and we'll pull up the page for it. This has the link through to the Polygon FarmHero, and that's where we're going to find HONOR token. So here we are on the Polygon. It says wrong network, which tells me that this is probably not set up for the right one. There we go. I'm going to switch this over to the Matic mainnet, and that should have our HONOR tokens. Okay. Now we're going to connect to the site, our MetaMask. Okay, so here we are. Polygon FarmHero. We are using the HONOR token. You can see it up here. There's a couple different things we can do. We can buy these Genesis NFTs if we're going to stake some money, and it looks like they get some pretty fantastic APYs for different prices, but I am not going to be spending 300 Matic on an NFT today, and I'm not really going to be staking a lot of money, so it wouldn't make any sense to me. It looks like they are going to be adding some new stuff. Oh, this is a new thing. The loot box. So some NFTs, and you can vote on different ones for the dogs here, the doggy series. All right, this is brand new. I didn't see this the last time I was here. So looks like they are adding more and more things on here. And I guess everybody gets to share the pot on them somehow. Not really sure. All right, cool. Another thing, well, you've got the yield farm over here if you just want to create an LP token with like HONOR and USD coin, or one of these other pairings. As you can see, they offer some pretty high APYs coming out of it. But as I remember right, there's also, I think they lock you in pretty long term on it. The NFT farm over here, I don't have any cards in my wallet, so or any stake cards, so I'm not doing any NFT farming. And then the pools, the quick to honor pool here, which is getting 500 APY and 700 for the Wexopoly to honor. All right. Now, as far as staking investing goes, this is where everything gets funky, and I couldn't fully follow all of it. You can stake honor, I think, and you're okay. You get 34%, but it's just regular staking. But this one, you're locked in for 3 months if you stake and lock the honor, and that is what you do when you do any of the farms too, the pools. So I think you're pretty locked in for quite a while if you want to go that route. If you believe in this long term and you want to go that way, go for it. If you don't, move on. Now you can earn some for referring people as well. 3% from new people showing up and keys. And then the 3 games. And these were the 3 that I played, and this is the auction game. So 11 honor, which, what was the price of an honor token right now? 16 cents. So that'd be about $1.75 to get back $3.85 in, I don't know what, it looks like it's in Quick. I think that's what you get, $3.85 in Quick for this. So what happens is this guy's put in 11 honor right now. If I bid anything more than him, all of his bid is completely lost. So if I bid 20 honor, you know, I'd be the highest bidder and I'd push him out of it, but somebody else might come back in and bid 25 next. And you can see, if you look at the history, some of the prices that different things have gone on. It looks like a lot of 10 honor and 15 honor, kind of minimum ones, a lot of ones that people really haven't been bidding heavy. I mean, 15 honors for $7.50 is actually quite a great deal. You know, you're talking $250 worth of spending to get yourself $750 back. But I don't understand. I don't trust this entirely. You notice that there's a pattern of the same two people being everywhere. And it seemed like whenever I bid on it, there was surely somebody right there to overbid me. So just to be honest, it felt a little bit it just didn't feel quite right. So FOMO game, I've got some keys in it in the other one. Who knows how long? This thing could take 2 years to go because the people keep adding more money into it. It keeps going longer. You're getting a cut of the pot. You're also getting a little bit back on your keys from every subsequent person who invests a key, so that could add up to something substantial eventually, but your keys are pretty much just locked up for now. So wasn't a really fun game for me. Once again, it was kind of put some in and sit and wait for a really, really, really long time and see what happened. And then the last one was the roll game. And this was actually the one that I did think was kind of fun. It looks like half an honor gets you a roll, and you roll, and if you get a high enough number to get up here on the board, you get that much money in BUSD. So let's enter the game. I'm not really sure. Sufficient balance. Okay. Okay, now I want to hit a deposit. How many honors do I want to deposit? I'm going to deposit, I don't know. Let's deposit 15 and we'll sit on 15 of them and see what happens to them. It's very cheap fees here, so I'm not going to really sweat it. Okay. So there we go. Now I should have a balance in here showing up any minute of 15 honors. There they go. And I can do some rolls. All right, let's do a roll. Apparently you can do a multi-roll now. See, when I first came along, you had to roll one at a time. Now you can roll a bunch at the same time and see if any of them show up to a good number. So you're going to notice all of these are 9, 9, and 9 eighths, or I got to get up into one of those. Otherwise, it's not going to be worth anything. And each of these rolls at a half an honor is costing me about 8 cents a roll. So, you know, if this took 40 rolls to win that, that would be a break even. So we'll try a few of them. We'll see if anything comes out of it. There's roll number. I'll do 2 more rolls and we'll see what happens. No. Not so good so far. All right. Well, I don't have a very high number. All right, let's do 2 more. Why not? I was hoping to show something good to the... But this is it. This is the most exciting of the games that I have discovered over here on FarmHero. So it looks like they're adding more. Looks like they're trying to grow it. I'm excited for that for them. But, you know, to be honest, neither of these 2 games appealed to me a whole lot. I could see getting into the farming and the pools. They seem like some very, very high yield ones. If you're someone who thinks that long term you're going to be a follower of this token, you believe that it's going to stick around for a long time. All right. So do me a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Consider that my payment back for wasting my money on a crazy rolling game, just to show you what it was all about. But I hope you guys learned something. I hope this helps you decide if you want to get involved in this. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this platform and if it's any good. And if you love it and if you're a big fan of it, leave me that too. All right. Thank you again, guys. Aloha.